How to fix if your iPhone not vibrating on silent mode or ring mode even after vibration enabled. Tap on settings, tap on sounds and haptics, and here scroll down and find system haptics. Make sure that this feature is enabled on your phone. Thereafter go back and tap on accessibility. Here tap on touch. Here scroll down and make sure the vibration is duly enabled on yours. If you found it off, then turn on vibration feature under accessibility settings. And thereafter again go back on your settings page, tap on sounds and haptics again. Here silent mode, make sure that silent mode is disabled. And haptics, tap on it and choose always play in silent mode also you can choose. So even if your phone is in silent mode, vibration will your phone iPhone will vibrate. Again tap on settings, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and finally choose reset all settings. Your iPhone will definitely vibrate on incoming call.